Good morning, student. I am Amit Kumar. Today I will explain new chapters names Learning Photoshop CS6. First, know about what do you mean by Photoshop and why we use Photoshop. So, another name of Photoshop is Adobe Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop is same as Photoshop that is developed by Adobe system. It is a graphical program that is used to edit and create all types of graphics program. It supports all format of image such as GIF, PCX, BMP and others, and many more images that can be modified, changed or customized. Photoshop is used by photographers, web designers and other graphics professionals. Adobe Photoshop can be called a non-stop image editing applications that can solve almost any problem that you face with images. It has various tools for drawing shapes, coloring and editing. So many features of the Photoshop. So some features are given here. So it allows you to select only that portion of image where you want to make changes during capturing time photo. If you want to edit any photo, then Photoshop will provide facility to change to some change background change others. Next features is it allows you to enlarge or reduce an image size. If you want to change the size of the image, then it allows you can select a part of image to retain. Next, so many features are given in Photoshop. Next, you can change the color of the part of the image. If you want to change the color of the part of the image, if you want to change the color of the background color of the image, many other things also available. It is used to combine two or more than two images. It allows you to work in different portion of image without disturbing the image on other layers and can be put together. So all these are the features of the Photoshop. Next topic, how to start Photoshop. So I will explain with your system. Okay. Now I will explain how to start Photoshop. First go to a start button. Then here many options are given. So simply here given Adobe Photoshop. When we click on Adobe Photoshop, then your Photoshop will be appears. This is the Photoshop. In Photoshop many options are given. First know about here file, edit, image, layer, select, filters, view, window, help, etc. And here all tools are given. During editing time we are using these types of tools. So If one by one click on, if one by one go on the tools, then automatically tools name will appear. Suppose here we go. What is the name of this tool? Move tool. Simply we press V, then move tool will be appear on your desktop. What is the name of this tool? Rectangular marquee tool. Simply we click M, then marquee tool will appear. So many tools are available. What is the name of this tool? Magnetic lasso tool. When we press only L, then your magnetic lasso tool will be appear on your desktop, then we use. So in Photoshop, simply we press first word by keyboard, then tools will be appear or used. So here, so one by one tools we use and take names. Okay, but how to be appear, how to be create a file, how to be use, edit a file, edit image, so many, how to import the file, how to create a new document. So next day I will explain. Many tools are given in your book. So first learn about tools name. Rectangular marquee tool, lasso tool, crop tool, a spot healing brush tool, clone a stamp tool, eraser tool, blur tool, pen tool, path selection tool, hand tool, foreground color, move tool, magic wand tool, eyedropper tool, brush tool, history brush tool, gradient tool, dodge tool, text tool, rectangle tool, zoom tool, background tool. After learn this, all these tools, then we use Photoshop for editing the file, editing the document, editing the images, changing something. Okay, thank you.